Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of this tiny house. The total area I have taken is width is 13 feet in meter 4 meter and the length is 13 feet in meter 4 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living area in the first. The size of the living area is 6 feet into 12 feet 4 inches in meter 1.82 into 3.75 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement and also a bed for single person, and we have two large size window for ventilation and light purpose. On the left side we have kitchen cum dining area here. The size of the kitchen cum dining area is 6 feet into 7 feet 6 inches in meter 1.82 into 2.28 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter, burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement, and we have dining counter with 3 chairs and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose. After that we will go inside. So we have washroom plus water closet here for common use. The size of the washroom is 6 feet into 4 feet 6 inches in meter 1.82 into 1.37 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and both are separate. We have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.